Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to draw a perfectly straight line in Microsoft Excel and customize its appearance. Open your Excel spreadsheet and navigate to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. Click on Shapes and from the drop-down menu, select the line shape. To draw the line, click anywhere on your sheet. The most important trick here is to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while dragging your mouse. Holding Shift guarantees your line will be perfectly straight, whether you are drawing horizontally or vertically. Once you have the desired length, release the mouse button. Now, let us make the line more visible and customize its style. Right-click the line you just drew and select Format Shape from the menu. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. Under the line section, make sure Solid Line is selected. Here, you can click the color bucket to change the line color. To make the line thicker, increase the width value to 2 or 3 points. You can also customize the style further using this same menu. Use the dash type dropdown to create a dotted or dashed line. If you need arrows, use the begin arrow type or end arrow type options to add an arrowhead to either end of your line. That is all it takes to draw and format lines in Excel. Subscribe to ClearTask for more direct software tutorials.